this is Uzma Sheikh and welcome to my channel U.S Beauty. My today's video is a DIY video of honey skin brightening serum which will give your skin a very fresh and radiant skin. So guys, the ingredients today I'm going to use is, as you can see, honey, lemon and wild turmeric. So I'm going to tell you the benefits of lemon. First, as you know, it reduces blackheads, it is antibacterial, it will lighten and brighten your skin, and it will give you a radiant skin. And about the turmeric, as you all know, it is an anti-inflammatory in the qualities and it reduces scars and it is best for oily skin. And honey, it is antibacterial, it is great for acne treatment and prevention, it is full of antioxidants and it slows down the aging process. It is extremely moisturizing and soothing, as we all know, and it gives great glow in the skin. So guys, Today I have brought you a combo of these three ingredients which will be so beneficial for your skin and it will give your skin a fresh glow and brighter skin. So let's start now. All you have to do is, first of all, take a bowl. Then what you need to do is you have to take 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. So I am taking 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. The next ingredient I am going to use is honey. 1 tablespoon of honey also. Here I am taking 1 tablespoon of honey and I'm putting it in the lemon juice. And now what next ingredient I am going to use is, as you all know, I have already told you before, turmeric, but not a tablespoon, just a pinch of turmeric. So I am taking just a pinch of turmeric and put it inside. And now I'm going to mix it well. So I'm mixing it well. Mix it properly so that the turmeric and lemon juice get mixed inside it very well. As you can see, it is mixing very well. So I have mixed it properly. Now I'm going to show you how to apply it. First of all, guys, what you have to do is wash your face with cold water and then you have to apply this. I'll show you how to apply this. So here I'm going to apply this in my hand. You can apply it on your face also, and you can also apply it on your legs and hands. I'm applying it on my hand. And I'm massaging it. So guys, massage it for at least 4 to 5 minutes and then leave it for 20 minutes and then wash it off with cold water and it will give you a very radiant skin. Guys, you will believe it after using it. I'll show you the result now. I am doing it for 5 minutes and I will keep it for 20 minutes now. I'm keeping it for 20 minutes now and I'll show you the result after washing it. You can see, guys, the upper part and the fingers part of mine, you can see how brightened it have turned out in within some minutes and how glowy it looks. As you can see, this finger parts and the upper part of my hand that is so dark, and the finger part have become brightened and lightened. So girls, give it a try at home and you will definitely love the result. And do tell me whether it turned out helpful for you or not, and do subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell button and please like my video. Thank you. Stay blessed.